Hello airhead lovers and welcome back to Airhead Barn. In our previous episode we started disassembling of this bike. Particularly we removed that huge fairing, RT fairing. In the meantime we also removed instrument cluster and other instruments, then some of the controls. We paid special attention as well to the exhaust. And this is word of caution: whenever you are removing exhaust, take some time. With that thing, I mean, in general, we shouldn't rush doing these things, but especially with exhaust, because we can do a lot of damage there. Luckily, everything came apart really smoothly here with this bike. There is no damage to any threads. Here I'm particularly thinking about cylinder head threads where star not actually from the exhaust screws on. One advice that I can give you, removing rusty parts, and this is particularly true for the exhaust. This exhaust is a bit more challenging because it's not straight pipe to the to the exhaust section. It does have a middle part of it, and that makes it a bit more challenging to remove things. What I like using is a tiny bit of WD-40, or you can use also penetrating oil, and then let it soak for several days before you actually start removing parts. That makes life so much easier. Alright folks, without further ado, in today's episode I hope we will complete our teardown. We will start working from a back while we still have a wheel on and a rear brake. It's actually a good idea to loosen those 4 screws that actually hold drive shaft attached to the output shaft of the gearbox, because you can apply rear brake and have it loose very easily. After we are done with that, we can proceed with removing wheel, differential or a final drive, swing arm, gearbox, basically, and clutch as well, basically all the way to clutch carrier or flywheel. After that, we will focus on electrical components of the engine. So particularly here, I talk about starter motor, then alternator, diode board, like all those electrical things that we will remove. And finally, we will remove front cover and check out what's happening with the timing chain and sprockets. So I hope you will like this episode. Please join me. imate. Možemo ga malo nazad. Tako.
Još nazad si treba. Tako.
Ne. Čekaj, nije dobro, zašto? Ja, vratik. Sad. Ne, vratik. Može. Evo ga. Može tu.